Wait oh, what did happen here?
God have mercy upon us.
Uche Jombo, confess, because I know say this kind of production, so now you feed one. You know they had to know.
Jesus! Jesus.
Because I did notice and say since when I stopped to the do film censor and the script conference for the Niger Live, so now also beans and rice we no done.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
No pepper, no salt. Now they cook, they give us make we shop, make our belly swell up. According to my grandmomsy, without poof. R.I.P. Mama, your face show. An example I dey give, so men are still dey try. Because other African countries, so they look up to now.
We must learn a lesson.
Now, this your movie, so you're not supposed to cut this kind trailer. I've been a snippet, now Oyibo they call them. You're not supposed to cut and put for line. May your fans, they watch. You get why? Now, as I talk to you, so this story, so person not they understand that like this.
A town hall different from bad blue.
Now, this man day in office, they try put one or two things together to make sure say if he run up way.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
You understand? Now you just enter with one kind akpo we person don't know. You come inside, you see what the guy they try do. You load the guy waiting not good. You load down 51 shots. Diallo self they learn. Why? Even if not your husband, what you try tell us now say the one who will try put this generation women together so. You want to thwart our effort. I be waiting. This Gen Z them when it be say they very difficult to handle. We they work as bloggers to make sure say we fit package them, make their heads they alright. You corner, you they drop this kind of thing for line. You they teach them now, say that they give their husband days in for us. Either they daze the husband if you do mistake. Not mind this kind of Nollywood movie. Oh. Now, my if you days, oh, not go try them. Not be every man. Oh. Life does change you. Before life and now life not be the same. Oh. If you try with your husband for us, they'll give upper cut, left cut, corner cut, down cut. There you go see yourself again. You die admission, oh, not do more. But yeah, now more look at more take and say now you na boss normally for office. Then you enter office, you see your staff, they won't run up things like this. You won't tell me now say you call Daza. Now mind this kind of film. If you daze your staff like this, they fit give you Papa Ajasco and the Pa James kind of haircut.
Jesus!
They have left you behind.
Jesus!
Now you go carry glass. I tell you this thing, not Dwamo. And besides, this Uche Jombo, all your thing na gra. This na movie. They make and they look like say na Roy. You act with power. See your face, rope don't show. Vein don't come aside. Anyways, kudos to Nollywood movies when they try. They waiting with a beg. Then I still do more improvement for our work. Especially to the make sure say when they teach the young ones where they come up moral lessons. That's so it be. Come on, your body. Uche